Nearly 1.6 million asylum applications are pending in the United States, the highest number on record. The influx of migrants comes as the United States Supreme Court weighs up whether to lift Title 42, the controversial pandemic-era policy that allows officials to quickly expel migrants at the border over public health concerns.
A dream come true in the form of a hula hoop. Toys their parents say they would not be able to afford in their native Venezuela. An opportunity for his children, says 30-year-old Elvin Carrasquel, who left his country more than 3 months ago with his partner and 4 children. In November, they made it to the U.S. and turned themselves in to immigration authorities. They sent us back, he said. And because they're not legally married, the two got separated. And after about a week in a detention center, they ended up in 2 different cities in Mexico. Elvin's partner, Caroline, says she was told they were being sent back to Mexico because of Title 42, which allows border agents to immediately expel migrants, citing COVID-19 concerns. And this is what they say led them to an illegal crossing 20 days later. I wanted to cross legally, says Caroline, but as a family, they felt they had no other option. It's a desperation felt by many here, and as a result, they end up on the streets during a cold front in El Paso. The city accommodates those who have documentation, taking more than 400 people into this makeshift shelter in its convention center over the holiday weekend. Others ending up in Washington, D.C., outside of Vice President Kamala Harris's residence.
The majority of them are planning to, stay in D.C. or head up to New York.
While it's not clear who is responsible for sending these migrants, Texas Governor Greg Abbott has been busing migrants to northern states since April. These migrants were bused from Texas to D.C. on Christmas Eve, some wearing only a T-shirt in 18-degree weather. For Elvin and Caroline, the final destination is Chicago. They say they want to apply for refugee status, find work, and provide for their 4 children.